Alright, so this is a new one. And incredible. This one's one of my favorites. Alright, so this Pokemon's name is Ironmoth. And this Pokemon looks a lot like Volcarona. That's one of my favorites. That's one of my favorite ones from the Unova region. I'm surprised they gave this one a mechanical state. Scarlet and Violet must have taken their evolved states to another level. They're this close to getting 1,000. Let's see if we can add some of these. Here is the next slide. Here we are. These are solar rays for this mechanical fighter. And by my honest work, I don't really know how these things are generated. Maybe perhaps it spins to create some sort of, these wings spin to create some sort of windmill-like ability to blast out like fire. Let's just say that the cyclone creates oxygen that's so bright that it creates temperature so high that it creates thermal energy generated power. There we are. There we are. There he is. That's how you draw the mechanical Pokemon Ironmoth. Huh. Looks like there are hundreds more of these. Don't you worry, fans. I'm gonna get to those, I promise.